I'm just saying, if this doesn't clean your PC, then I don't think anything will.
Discover cool stuff. TechBaffle.
Hello and welcome to TechBaffle. James here, and today we're going to look at this Euki Super Power Turbo Fan. Now this is the X3 model. A big thanks to Euki for providing this product for review. As always, my reviews are my own opinion. This is a really clever design because despite the compact size, it actually features 150,000 RPM brushless motor. That is mad. 180 grams of wind pressure, a 6,000 mAh battery, and 52 meters per second wind speed. So this seriously has the power. Super wind speed, super rotation speed, a brushless motor, magnet design, blowing dust, and overheating protection. So that's really good as well. So despite it having a really powerful motor, it actually has the protection to prevent it from overheating. Its main function is to blow dust. If you have a desktop computer, I'm not going to judge you, but it's probably a little bit dusty. You need to sort that out, mate, I'm sorry. And don't worry, I've got this really set up for a big challenge later on in the video. It's really dusty. So it goes for a few of the features on the back, plus it tells you the working voltage, 6 to 8.4 volts, a charging time of 2.5 hours, and that's the device size. The device weight is fairly light, to be fair. It's only just over 300 grams. Finally, the working time is 4 hours at speed level 1. I'm guessing there's different speed levels as well, which is pretty cool. Now you can buy this on Amazon. Check the TechBaffle links in the description. Look at that really nice presentation. If you know anyone's a gamer who has a PC, really good gift idea. So let's go ahead and open the box. It's a nice slow release box. Wow, okay. So we have a colour user manual from Euki. Very cool indeed. And the customer support QR code. It says activate warranty within 7 days and then get a 2-year extended warranty by scanning the QR code. Really nice, really well laid out manual, all makes sense. Ooh, there's a gift underneath. So underneath this foam, wow, look at that. That is proper gear right here. This looks like a gaming product. It really does, with the sort of angular design. It's amazing to think that such a small fan can pack such a high amount of power. It feels substantial, but it doesn't feel too heavy. It feels really nice and high quality though. Description on the side there with the Euki branding. Very simple operation. This is the start button right here. And on the back we have the power on and off and the speed switch. On here we have the USB-C, gets extra points. Way! And finally we have the cleaning set. Ooh, let's have a look at this. I have no idea what this is, to be fair. So we have a Euki branded soft bag, and inside we have, look at how much different types of brushes you have. You have all sorts of different types here, so it'll have everything you need to complete your cleaning. And what's more, you can pop these in your bag and you can put your fan in as well, all in one bag. On the bottom we actually have the USB-C charging port, and just above that the power indicator, so it should give us the level. Wow, we're fully charged out the box. I mean, always fully charged before use. I'm just being impatient as usual. We actually have the speed LEDs as well, which is really cool. So if you want to change from a less dramatic speed, press that button, goes to speed number 2 and then speed number 1. Should we try on speed number 1? To start it, press the button at the front. Oh wow, that's speed number 1. It's not very loud considering how powerful it is. Okay, that's speed number 1. Let's go to speed number 2. Oh wow, okay. Oh wow. Then finally, speed number 3. Are you ready? Oh wow. Okay, that is seriously. We'll test that properly in a moment, but you get the idea. That is seriously high speed. I'm just saying, if this doesn't clean your PC, then I don't think anything will. Now, this isn't like the most dustiest computer, but this still has little vents in, so if you want to clean all those out, literally in no time, it will look like new. It's amazing. So I have a very, very dusty thing coming up shortly, and you don't want to miss that out because that's probably going to be quite hilarious, and you're probably going to judge me, but it will put this to a good test anyway. So it's in the name of science. Come on, guys. So let's go to James in the future, and we'll really put this to the test. Okay, wow, James, that was kind of gross, but thanks for that. That really did demonstrate the product very well. I can't believe, honestly, this took me by surprise. I thought, yes, it's going to be a little bit of a blow, fair enough. I didn't think this would be that powerful. This is such a compact and easy to hold device that this will get into every nook and cranny of your computer. Now, for such a premium product, obviously it's a little bit higher in the price range, but not too bad considering if you look at this competition, and you're really paying for that brushless motor, that high speed. I mean, we're talking 150,000 RPM. This is seriously powerful. You have your 6,000 mAh battery as well, which is fully rechargeable through USB-C. Overall, I give the Euki X3 Turbo Fan a TechBaffle rating of 4 out of 5. Again, a massive thanks to Euki for sending this product for review. So if you want a Euki X3 Turbo Fan for yourself, you can buy this on Amazon. So check the TechBaffle links in the description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. I'm on Facebook, X, Instagram, Threads and TikTok. Follow me at TechBaffle. For all the latest, head over to techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.